Hello guys, the UPSC Prelims 2021 result has come. So as expected, within 90 days it has again come because last year also it came in 19 days. So I'll quickly show you how to see the result and some details because 2020, as I told, October 4th exam got over and in 19 days record time that was the highest, and that time 10,500 people got selected. So this time also the numbers are around like that. So we'll see that. So 2021 UPSC Prelims October 10th happened and 19 days October 29. Okay. So now the mains date. Okay, before going to mains date, we'll again see the result. Okay, directly go to UPSC website, upsc.gov.in. Okay, when you refresh, this is the new pop-up kind of thing in front of their screen. So if you see the civil service preliminary examination, the forest preliminary, both prelims are same only, and in that you can see the result. Okay, so when you click on that, this PDF will come. Okay, see here, 29th October 2021. So on the basis of the result of the civil services prelims examination 2021 held on 10/10/2021, the candidates with the following roll numbers have qualified for admission to the mains. So now you have to do the mains. People who are clear, the candidates, you have to fill the DAF, which is the detailed application form. Okay, so that again, dates again will come. The dates are important. Instructions for filling up this thing will be announced. Okay, in the same website. So it will come that time. I'll again make a video. So now the marks, cutoff, and answer key. This people keep asking, but you will not come to know about this now because it will come later only. If you see 2020 answer key also has not come. Okay. So this will come only after the entire cycle is over, entire process of this exam, that is after the interview, after the final result. Okay, so you have to wait a long time for that, so please don't ask that. And still, if you have any doubt or anything, you have to contact these numbers. Okay, between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, and another one more call support number is there, and below this, these are the numbers. So you just have to do Control F in your PDF, go to your admit card, take your roll number and do Control F and search in this PDF. So if your name is there, that means you are selected. Okay, so it's a big list. It will be there, 9,000, 10,000 people will be there. The full count I'll again check it and tell it in my next video. So if you do end, it will be like this. Okay, it's given in almost roll number order only, so it will be easy for you to search. Okay, so if you find your roll number, then you are going to write the mains in January. So the mains date, this is the date, January 7, 8, 9, 15, 16. Okay, and around 70 days gap is there, so you can revise your optionals, your ethics part, essay part. That is a high priority. So main series videos I'm planning, I'll do that soon, but please see to it that you are seeing all these videos. It's completely free on our YouTube channel, and also WhatsApp me. Okay, so WhatsApp me, so every day video link will get to you in the WhatsApp itself. You just have to sit and watch every day, and you are going to clear mains also. So contact me. Now I'll wind up this video. Go and check your result now itself and inform me in WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.